For this reason, this IBDP past paper question, you have to note down a very important trick, that they're considering group 1 elements and they're considering group 7 elements, right? So if you see, whenever we are getting a question, we have to know that periodicity chapter, right? That's the thing, right? When you go down the group number 1, what happens? Tell me. The reactivity increases, right? Sodium is
Okay.
here, group period 2, potassium is period 3. Now, if you write down the group number 7, you can write down this group number 7. If you see group number 7, if you have got this is chlorine is in period number 2, and you're having a bromine in period number 3, right? So when you go into group number 7, down the group, what happens? To tell me, when you go down the group number 7, the reactivity does what? The reactivity will decrease. Is it clear? Now tell
Yeah.
me, which is most reactive from this group number 7? Tell me, which is most reactive group number 7? Reactivity
That's
decreases.
maybe
Chlorine or
chlorine.
bromine? Chlorine, you circle chlorine. Now from group number 1, what happens? The reactivity increases, right? You can write down this trick. Who is more reactive? Potassium or potassium or sodium?
Sodium.
Reactivity increases. Right. Reactivity increases. Which is more reactive, sodium or potassium? If the reactivity increases down the group number 1, and for group number 7, the reactivity decreases. This thing you have to know. Tell me, who is more
Yeah.
reactive, sodium or potassium?
Potassium.
Potassium, right? You circle. So
Yeah.
you search for these two combinations, which is most reactive, right? Is it clear? Did you get my point? If the potassium is most reactive in group number 1, and chlorine is most reactive in group number 7, isn't it?
Yeah.
Do you get my point? Do you get my point? Suppose there's a match between Brazil and suppose Australia. Suppose it's a football match between Brazil and Argentina, something like that question, right?
Yeah.
Is it clear? So if you see that when we see that potassium and chlorine will be most reactive, right? Got
Yeah.
it? Is it clear to you? Can you tell me
Yeah.
that which will be the least reactive from these two? Means which will be reacting least vigorously? I'm changing the question, right? Least vigorously. Can you tell me the answer?
Na and Br.
Yeah, you circle Na, least reactive, and Br. Now see, understand? We have to play with the questions. If the question comes, can we do the opposite question? Yes, we can. So this is a question also comes in about least reactive. So we have to pull in that.